We could say that God is capable of performing evil actions, but that he just chooses not to. I think the difficulty with that position is that that means then that God's moral goodness is a contingent property of God rather than essential to his very nature. And that means that there are possible worlds in which God is evil and therefore not worthy of worship. And that surely is not an acceptable concept of God. So I think that it's far better to say that it is of the very nature of God as a morally perfect being that he cannot commit evil. But again, that is not due to a lack of power on his part. It isn't an infringement of omnipotence. So he has the power to do things like tell a falsehood or commit a murder or do some other sin, but he cannot do such a thing, not due to a lack of power, but because it's incoherent to talk about a morally perfect being doing those things.